Alright, what's up guys? Today we have a base set booster pack. Unlimited base set, not shadowless, Charizard pack art. We're gonna be opening that today. But first, before we get to the main event, we're gonna open 4 Guardians Rising, sorry. 2 Steam Siege, oh sorry, camera's a little wonky. And 2 Evolutions, in that order. So let's get started. I don't even know what's good to get out of these Guardians Rising. I think 4 is the card trick. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Water, Energy, Choice Band, Vanillish, Whimsicott, Fletchling, sorry, Litwick. I'm not gonna know a lot of these, like, newer Pokemon. Gothita. I am a boomer. Pancham. I only know, well, I know more than the base set, or the original first gen. There we go, that's the words I was looking for. Alolan Vulpix. I know some of Gen 2. There's a reverse hollow Helioptile. Okay. Come on, focus camera. And a Panguru, non-hollow. Alright. I see a Chansey. Code card. 2, 3, 4 from the back. Leaf Energy. Yep, that's right, Enchanted Hammer. Glalie. Watchog. Chansey. Snorunt. Pancham. Let me move this into the light a little better. Bellsprout. Cottony. That's Cottony. Ooh, is that something good behind there, or is that just let's find out. Reverse hollow Snorunt and ooh, Chandelure. Hollow. We have 7 more packs to go, including this guy right now. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I got chat going on right now. Fairy Energy. Focus in on that, please. Or just wobble. Give everybody motion sickness. Alright. Fairy Energy. Lampent. Clefable. Nice. Rainy. Petilil? Petilil? Sure. Beldum. Alolan Vulpix. Slowpoke. That's nice artwork. I like that. Machop. Also very nice. Reverse hollow Tailo. And Salazzle. Non-hollow. On to our last Guardians Rising. Chansey, Snorunt, Pancham, Bellsprout, Cottony. Whoa. Oh, I didn't do the card trick. Well, good morning. Alright, so we have Sliggoo, Max Potion, Tentacruel. That's really cool looking too. Lampent. Oh, there's something good here. Energy, and I was totally wrong. Vanillux is the rare. On to Steam Siege, XY Steam Siege series, which I believe is also 4 from the back. Sorry, I bumped this camera stand again. So good at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's not 4 from the back. Oh, it's 3 from the back. Okay, so this is a bit... Oh, well, there you go. Gardevoir EX. There's another hollow for us. Why is it getting so dark? There we go. Well, rip. So, Steelix Spirit Link, Fluffy? Flaffy? I knew it was Flaffy. I actually know that Pokemon, but I read Fluffy. Captivating Pokepuff. Sneasel. Seedot. Drillfloon. Apom. Mankey. And a Reverse Hollow Gravantula. Ooh. Alright, on to the next Steam Siege pack, which is actually the last Steam Siege pack. And then we have 2 evolutions and a base set booster pack from 1999. Oops, code card didn't want to come out. Okay, so this is 3 from the back, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if they do energies right there. Anyway, we'll find out. We have a Haralucha, Skiploom, Captivating Pokepuff, Fungus, Rufflet, Litleo, Meryl, Ponyta, a Reverse Hollow Seedot, and Toxicroak non-hollow. So, I think we're gonna start with the Venusaur pack art. I mean, look at that. I can't really. It's a Mega Charizard EX. Alright. On to evolutions. Which is, if I'm not mistaken, 3 from the back. Just like the base set was. No, I think that's Focus. Okay, cool. Oh, you didn't see that. Oh, is it a Blastoise maybe? De-Evolution, Spray, Metapod, Professor Oak's Hint, Pikachu, Machop, Growlithe, Onix, Nidoran Male, Mew Reverse Hollow. Oh, I like it. And Mega Slowbro EX. Alright, on to Charizard pack art. Final evolutions. Excuse me. Pack. Looks like we have a Ponyta. Somewhere in there. 1, 2, 3. Focus up. There we go. Quit shaking. And we have a Potion. Magmar. Venusaur Spirit Link. Ponyta. Drowsy. Electabuzz. Vulpix. Sandshrew. The Reverse Hollow is a Rattata. And an Arcanine non-hollow. Alright. Okay, guys. Okay, we're on to the main event. This is a very expensive pack of cards. I left my gloves in the other room. I'll be right back. This is probably the only chance I'll get to open something that's valuable. And I'm going to grade whatever's in there. Also, for those who don't know, this is a heavy booster pack, which means there is a guaranteed holo card in there. Alright, here we go. Move that aside. I'm going to set it right there, so whatever good cards we possibly get out of there are going to go right in there. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh! Okay, I want to be really careful because I can actually sell this pack art or collect it, keep it. I'm opening it right now, Juan Taco. Welcome. Oh my god, you guys. This is so nostalgic for me. You have no idea. I have a lot of these cards, but they're not in nearly any in good condition like these should be. Okay, so I'm gonna go. It's kind of hard with gloves on, but it's worth it. So I'm gonna go 3 from the back. Dude, these are. Oh my god, they look so good. What is that? Why does that card look so different? There's a different sheen to this card. Anyway, 3 from the back, which I believe is the right way. For base set. I did do my research. Okay. Come on, focus up. Camera. Come on. Okay, I guess we're gonna go down here. Okay, I cannot quite grab these cards like I want to. So we have a seal. Oh, that's interesting. So usually there's 2 energies right before the holo. So this pack might be out of order. Anyway, we have a seal. Grass energy. I do see holofoil. I see holofoil on the edge here. Oh god. Okay, psychic energy removal. I'm shaking like right now. I cannot breathe properly. Tangela. Okay, so these are not shadowless, as you can see. Sorry. Get that in focus for you. Staryu. Okay, guys. Squirtle! Squirtle! We got a starter! Base set starter, let's go. The centering on these. Oh. Mwah. Alright. Potion. God, the condition. I haven't seen these cards in such a great condition in so long. I'm old, guys. Okay. Oh! Oh, okay. I hit the holo. And then there was 2 trainer cards. Okay, so Mewtwo, guys. Holo Mewtwo. Alright, let me, before I do anything else, sleeve this up. Actually, I gotta look at the back because these sleeves they're not penny sleeves. So I might as well just take a look here. Oh god, yes. I see no nicks in any corners or edges. So right now what we're going to be looking for is print lines, which I'm going to take it off camera so I can look a little better. And oh my god, you guys. So it's centering slightly off left to right, but I don't see any print lines. Oh. Let's go! Fucking A. Alright. Oh god. Okay, so sleeve this up. Okay. Nice and easy. Never touched by human hands. Stick this right here. Oh yeah. No. Alright. That about ends this video.